There's your banana, Beta. Yeah.
Welcome to our beach day.
Yeah, went to the store. Got a bunch of groceries. Mainly for breakfast. Got to get back to the condo, but it's pouring, so I got to try to get the car and load this up without ruining all of our food. Perfect day to show up. Royal, raining, tropical storm coming through. Try to clear up. We got about 8 days here, so I'm not too bummed out about it. Was that it? Was that in my bag?
No, it's a rotten banana.
Oh my god! Yeah, I think I had a couple in my bag. I gotta get rid of that.
Daddy, where's the garbage?
I don't even know.
Okay, so this right here
Right there.
doesn't have any alcohol.
Throw it away.
What?
What is it?
It's just something to top off.
Sparkling water.
I know, but why was it in the alcohol cooler?
Still tastes good though.
And
Not bad.
So hungry.
Got a good egg sandwich, baby? Yes. Let's get some breakfast going. It's a little late though. It's 12:30. We had a late night. Got some egg sandwiches, cheese. I'm gonna cut up some watermelon. But yeah, last night we arrived here to San Juan. Didn't end up landing until like, I don't know, 11 o'clock. Then got the rental car. Then we drove over to Rio del Mar. I think it's called like Picuas Beach. But this is Burritos Del Mar Resort. Can't really see it right now. It's been raining all morning. But they got the beach over here. Got a nice pool down there. So I think we're just gonna chill today and let the rain clear out. Like I said, we had a late night, so I'm not really trying to go out and about all day. Yeah.
Mommy's egg sandwich ready yet?
Yep, just about.
Okay.
Yeah, making some egg sandwiches for everybody. But we went to the store, spent about 150 bucks. Huh? You need a drink? Okay. What, girl? Just about. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go swim today, walk down to the beach, go back and forth, check it out. But yeah, hopefully this rain clears up. So we plan on going down to like Old San Juan and wander in that area, seeing all the castillos on the forts and the sea cliffs, the seawall. Couple beach days. We're gonna do 3 days here, then we're gonna go up to El Yunque, stay 4 nights up there in like a badass house, pool, infinity pool and everything. Should be pretty sick. Yeah, let's get this day going. Eat some brunch. Just hang out for the day. Let's go. Sleeping in the baby crib.
Bye-bye.
Sleeping in the baby crib.
Come here, Blondie. Come here, Blondie.
I'm chilling up here. What are you doing snooping on my phone? What'd you try to figure out? What'd you get it already?
Yeah, talk is making me like
The 18?
no, it's like this.
Yeah.
Like the verified.
We're coming, yes, we're coming, we're coming.
just need my phone and then we can go.
Look at this.
I have your swim diaper.
Alright, let's go. Heading out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mom's already getting in the water over there. Yeah, our room's like up there, 3rd floor. It's a cool little spot. And the beaches. About 2 minutes walk down that way. Yeah, that's nice. Following around Veda, making stuff in the sand. Yeah, our place is clear on the other end of that bend over there. That beach is all full of this seaweed stuff, so we came over to Luquillo Beach, which we were planning on doing it anyway, but we just did it on a cloudy day, but gotta make the best of it. Got a little spot up here set up under the palm trees. But no, this is a nice beach. There's like no waves. It's really calm for these kids to play where you don't have to worry about anything. Yeah. What? Coming. Let's go see what he's got out here. Wants to get in the water. Hey, quit throwing sand. No throwing sand. Giving somebody's eyes. What you got? Oh, I thought you found something. I'm trying to find some seashells. There's really no seashells in here either.
I did find something.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ooh, what are you making, Beta? Yeah, it's basically perfect. Yeah, it's all salty. Ocean water.
Florida now? Florida was Florida.
Yeah, it's all ocean water.
There's like no waves. It's just from the jet ski.
Perfect. Perfect for kids. I mean, not too much fun for like trying to boogie board or anything, but yeah, because I think there's like a cove that comes along the side, like over there. There's all waves on that side. That's what I looked up. So it's supposed to be a really calm beach. Now it's calling down. So pretty much that mountain up there. That's where we're gonna be staying. It'll be pretty sick. I know. It's basically perfect water. No seashells either, surprisingly. Probably because there's no waves to bring them in.
Yeah.
What are you making? Huh? Make a hole? I'd do it like right here where the water don't wash up. Let's make a hole. Some of this stuffed rice with mixed seafood, big old burger, chicken fingers, Mara. Got the ribeye steak. What did you get, Beta? Cheeseburger? We got the salmon. What's the name of that? 'Cause I got it too.
Oh, yours is fried plantain, mine's fried avocado.
Avocado with it. Seafood
Or stuffed avocado.
Lobster.
Oh, and it's lobster.
Yeah, I got the seafood on mine. Check out. Alright, gonna go ahead and end the night right here. End of day one. Technically day two. We landed late last night, but had a good dinner. The Las Picuas 1, 2, 3 is pretty good. Had some seafood. The local dish was a mofongo or something like that. Fried plantains with rice. These boys are freaking out that there's bugs upstairs. Somebody left the window open, so they're gonna sleep on the couches down here. Mara passed out, I gotta put her in bed. Tomorrow we're gonna try not to blow the day. We got it pretty late today. We're gonna check out old San Juan tomorrow. Roam around here, check out this Sport Castillo Felipe Moro. Got this from the rental car place we drove down here by Luquillo. About 45-minute drive from where we're staying now, so we're gonna try to get about 7:30, cook some breakfast, be out of here at least by 9, roam in old San Juan by 10, just hang out all day and just explore. That's right, like, share, subscribe, we'll see you in the next one. Later. Turn down a little bit, it's loud. Alright, love you, good night.
Yes. The bees are chirping.